guys, my name is Febrianita and I am PTK1 from Ganesha College. Hi everyone! Now I'm so nervous and I'm so excited because this is my first video. So I'm so sorry if my video has a lot of flaw. Without lengthening, we just go to the video. Okay. How are you today, my friend? I hope you always be healthy and long life. Okay, and now I will show you how to change the sound of your device image. Okay, the first, I'm so sorry guys because my green screen too pushy here, you know. But no problem, it's okay. You can focus in my content. Okay? For example, you can see the video from this to this. Okay?
2,000 years later.
And the first we have to prepare is the sound we want to use. For example, I will search my sound in here in YouTube. You can open your YouTube here. I'm so sorry guys because my connection is no good here. For example, I will search yum sound cooking sound effect. You can follow step by step what I do here, guys. Okay, share, and then you can copy your link. Next, you can open the new tab. You click here, MP3 converter. You can follow my step guys. Then you can paste your link here and you convert. You can wipe this. You can click download. You can wipe to finish your download. I think this was finished. You can open a new tab. You can click here convert MP3 to WAV. You can open this. Oh guys, good attention about this step guys. You can start sound once you download. Okay, open, download, and you can click conversi. And then you can click download. You can see here. Okay, this is finished. This is what's finished guys. Next, you can open in your start. You can click control panel. You can click control panel and you can click hardware and sound. You click sound and you open sound and you can search device connect. You click here and you can browse and then you can search for video or sound that you have download in your folder. You can click here, open, and we can test here. let's disconnect. We can do the same for the device disconnect. Okay, finish. You can click OK. For the result, I will show you. Okay guys, I think that of all of me, and I'm so sorry if I have some mistake for you. I hope this content can be useful for our friend. I'm so like my camera.